Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see, it's by the brand right here. These are some cubettes that are some wafer cookies or wafer crackers that you can eat. They actually have 3 different flavors. First one you can see right here is the hazelnut flavor right here. Another flavor that they actually have is the vanilla flavor that's right here, if you can see. And then the last and final one that they have is their chocolate flavor right here, if you can see right here. And so all these are actually made in Italy with their freshest ingredients. There's no artificial coloring, there's no artificial ingredients or whatever, so everything is handmade and freshly made, which is pretty awesome. And that's the reason why these actually cost more than your typical wafer crackers. They do also have like bigger ones, you guys can see right here. So these are the bigger pieces if you guys want to have like a bigger bite. So they do have it for all the flavors. So that's the vanilla one, and then here is their hazelnut one, and then they also have the chocolate flavor ones as well right here, as you can see. So the ones that are in here and the ones in here are basically the same flavor and same taste and everything. The only difference is that these are smaller and these are bigger. So let's open each one of these and try it out and see how it tastes like. They do provide you a little tape right here that you can use to reseal the package if you guys don't want to finish it all at once or whatnot, so that's pretty cool. So I think I'm gonna try the vanilla flavor first, and then we'll try chocolate, and then we'll try hazelnut last. So let's do that first. So the moment we open up the vanilla flavor one right here, you guys can see that's what it looks like inside. You definitely can get like the vanilla flavor and everything, which is pretty awesome. But let's actually try it out and see how it tastes. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like. You can see the vanilla flavor wafer crackers and everything. You guys can see the layers, which is pretty awesome. Let's give it a try and see how it tastes. Wow, it's actually pretty amazing. Usually like wafer crackers, when you guys eat it, it's not as flavorful as these. It's super rich and creamy with like the vanilla flavor and everything. So I'm gonna reseal this up using the resealer right here, and we're gonna try the other flavors. So this is how I'm gonna reseal it, as you can see. Another way you guys can also do is get one of those clips. You guys can also get one of these clips right here and just clip it up like that. That way it's all sealed back, so that's pretty cool. So that's the vanilla flavor. Let's try the next one. We're gonna try the chocolate flavor one right here. Wow, the moment I open up this chocolate one, the flavor of the chocolate and everything just burst out into my nose and everything. You can smell the aroma and everything from the chocolate flavor. So this is what it looks like inside. You can see there's a lot of chocolate wafer crackers inside. So this is basically what it looks like. You can see the layers and everything. Let's give it a try. Wow, definitely a lot of chocolate flavor. You know, when you guys buy like regular like wafer crackers and everything, you get the chocolate flavor, but it's not like super strong or not super filled with like chocolate flavor. You actually get more of the wafer crackers of flavor. That's when you get a lot more of the flavors. Like for the vanilla flavor and now for the chocolate flavor, it's filled with like the chocolate and filled with the vanilla inside. You get so much of that flavor more than the wafer crackers, which is pretty awesome. But we're gonna reseal this one, and then we're gonna try out the hazelnut one. So right here we have the hazelnut. Let's open it up. Oh my god. So this is what the inside the hazelnut one looks like, if you can see. You definitely get a lot of smell, like regardless if it's the vanilla flavor, the chocolate flavor, the hazelnut flavor, they're all super strong the moment you guys open it up. That flavor or the smell that come out of here is amazing. So this is what it looks like. If you can see, the layers and everything looks amazing in there. It's so filled with the hazelnut flavor and everything. You can see like the layers of the cream inside. But let's give it a try and see how it tastes. Oh my god, I'm so happy I saved this last. I think out of all the flavors so far, this one has to be my favorite one. Honestly, it's really hard to pick which one is best because they're all really good. So now to be the unboxing and testing on the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it. So I think any of these flavors are actually really worth it, because you definitely get that fresh and natural ingredient. Like there's no artificial coloring and no artificial flavor like I mentioned. But the filling inside each wafer cracker or cookie is like filled with the cream of the flavor, whatever it is. So like vanilla, chocolate, hazelnut. And the smell when you guys open the package, it just bursts into your nose. It's just amazing. So honestly, I think these are actually really worth it if you guys love snacks or looking into snack, or if you guys just love wafer crackers in general, then these are actually really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have no one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for unboxing and testing of this product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shop update we have